Does your Gable front porch feel more like a plain entryway than a welcoming retreat? You're not alone. Many homeowners treat this space as a pass-through, instead of the showpiece it can be. But here's the truth. You don't need a contractor or a massive budget to transform it. With a few thoughtful updates, your Gable porch can become the heart of your home's curb appeal, and one of your favorite spots for coffee mornings, family time, or quiet evenings. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 powerful Gable porch ideas that will take your space from plain to polished. From roof shapes to decor and lighting, you'll see practical, budget-friendly ways to unlock your porch's true potential. Stick around, because the last idea might just be the most magical one yet.
Welcome to Architecture Inspiration X, your go-to space for elegant, creative, and practical home design ideas. In today's video, we're diving into something truly transformative for your outdoor space: patio pergola ideas. So grab your favorite drink, hit that like button, and let's explore how the right pergola can turn your patio into a stunning retreat.
Gable roof designs and shapes. Let's start with the star of the show, your Gable roof design. The roofline sets the entire tone for your porch. Popular options: classic symmetrical gable for a timeless, traditional look. Extended gable with overhang to provide extra shade and rain protection. Open truss gable with exposed beams for rustic farmhouse charm. Curved or arched gables for a softer, elegant appeal. Story: when Sarah upgraded her flat porch roof to a vaulted gable with stained wood beams, her porch went from plain to Pinterest-worthy. Neighbors noticed immediately. Tips: match your gable's pitch with your home's main roofline for a cohesive look. Add decorative gable vents or a sunburst design for charm. If budget allows, install tongue and groove wood panels on the ceiling for warmth. Why it works: the roof is the first thing people notice. It frames your home and gives instant architectural personality. If you love vaulted ceilings and open beams, hit that like button. Material choices and finishes. Next up, let's talk materials. The finishes you choose can completely transform your porch's character. Ideas to try: wood trim and beams for a natural, cozy feel. Stone bases with wood accents for a craftsman or rustic look. Brick detailing for traditional or colonial homes. Metal roofing accents for durability and a modern touch. Design tips: stick with neutral tones for longevity, or use bold accents like a deep stain for contrast. Match porch materials with your home's siding or shutters for harmony. Add a contrasting fascia board for definition. Would you go with warm wood or bold stone for your gable? Let me know in the comments. Support columns and beams. Columns and beams do more than support your roof. They create style and presence. Options: tapered craftsman-style columns on stone bases. Thick, rustic wood beams for a lodge-like feel. Slim, square modern posts for a clean, minimalist look. Pro tips: use a contrasting column color for eye-catching detail. Wrap existing posts with PVC or wood trim for an instant upgrade. Consider decorative brackets at the beam connections for craftsman flair. Comment below, are you team rustic timber or team sleek modern? Lighting and ventilation ideas. A gable porch shines brightest when it has the right lighting and airflow. Lighting ideas. Add lantern sconces on the columns for a classic look. Install recessed lights or chandeliers under the gable for evening charm. Use uplighting at the base of beams for dramatic accents. Ventilation tips. Install a ceiling fan to keep things breezy in summer. Add a gable vent to prevent heat buildup in vaulted designs. Pro Insight, smart lighting and airflow make your porch usable year-round, not just in perfect weather. What's your dream night on the porch? Soft string lights, a chandelier glow, or both? Decor and curb appeal enhancements. Finally, let's add the finishing touches with decor and curb appeal upgrades. Easy ideas. Place hanging baskets or potted plants along the beams. Add a swing or rocking chairs for instant charm. Layer outdoor rugs to define seating areas. Use seasonal wreaths and garlands for festive flair. Story. The Johnson family added just a swing, 2 planters, and string lights under their gable porch, and now it's where everyone gathers after dinner. Bonus touch. Incorporate outdoor art or a statement light fixture for personality. Want my full porch decor checklist? It's linked in the description. So here's the big question. Is your gable porch just a pass-through, or could it be the highlight of your home? You don't need a full renovation. Just start with one of these ideas. Gable roof designs and shapes, material choices and finishes, support columns and beams, lighting and ventilation ideas, decor and curb appeal enhancements. Each one adds style, comfort, and personality, making your porch as inviting as your living room. Final CTA, which idea would you try first? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget, subscribe for weekly outdoor makeovers and porch inspiration. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the porch.